Let's bowl off with some cricket, shall we? West Indies ended their three-match T20 international series against South Africa on a high, winning the final match in Johannesburg by 6 runs via the Duckworth-Lewis third method on Saturday. As Gerard Morris Seeley reports, the match was reduced to 10 overs aside.
Just like in the second T20 international, West Indies were asked to take first strike by the home team. A lightning storm delaying the start by over an hour, causing the match to be reduced to 16 overs. Johnson Charles was removed early for naught, bringing together skipper Shea Hope and Shimon Hetmeyer, who sparked some power play fireworks. Another lightning interruption and a further reduction in overs did not deter Hope and Hetmeyer as they combined for a second wicket partnership of 86. They both scored 48 while Lungi Ngidi, Keshav Maharaj and Quina Mafaka took 1 wicket each as the visiting Windies ended on 114 for 3 off their 10 overs. South Africa showed intent early with their chase adjusted to 125 under DLS. But Akil Hussain countered with the wicket of Aidan Markram with the score on 23. Gudakesh Moti was the best bowler for the Windies with 3 for 17, including the wicket of top scorer Quinton de Kock for 28. Jason Smith came close to pushing his team over the line, scoring 26 before being dismissed by Shamar Joseph. And that was enough for the Caribbean side to avoid defeat as South Africa ended on 118 for 6 from 10 overs. The series finished 2-1.
I saw more of execution. What we discussed in team meetings, how we want to bowl to different batters. We have to do that really well. We got to take the catches. Yeah, for sure we got to take the catches. We can't keep giving opposition's best batsmen 1 and 2 and 3 chances. That we would be punished by that.
The Windies are set to leave for India on Sunday ahead of their official T20 World Cup warm-up match against Afghanistan on February 4. The tournament bowls off on February 7 with the West Indies up against Scotland. Gerard Morris Seeley, TVJ Sports.